And now, First Warn 5 weather with forecaster Steven Sarabia.
Good morning. It is 9:46. The big talk today is the red flag warning, which is in place for the entire valley until 6 p.m. What comes with a red flag warning is there's low humidity, which makes the ground very dry. And there's very breezy winds, which means it's very optimal for a fire to start and spread. So you want to be extra careful if you're dealing with anything that involves a flame, even barbecuing. You want to make sure you have an eye on those embers. Let's go ahead and look at the current temperatures right now. 65 degrees for Brownsville and McAllen, 67 for Weslaco, and 64 for Harlingen. That humidity is at 45%. Wind speeds really starting to pick up across the valley. Edinburgh already showing 20-mile-an-hour winds, 12 for Rainville, 17 for Port Isabel. Future Track shows that they're going to increase this afternoon. This orange that you're seeing is wind speeds around 30 miles an hour, and this green and yellow that you're seeing is wind speeds around and over 20 miles an hour. We can see that that is affecting the entire valley. They are expected to die down after 6, and that's when the red flag warning is expected to leave. So you can plan on a much calmer night, but today, this afternoon, early afternoon, you're going to have to watch out for those winds. Not really tracking any rain for the next few days, mostly dry for today, tomorrow, and Tuesday. And here's a look at the coastal forecast. They're under a gale warning until 6 p.m. with a high rip current risk. There's that one tide today, a high tide at 3:02 p.m. Winds coming from the south-southwest at 21 to 31 miles an hour. Rough chop on the bay. Your high today for the valley, 79. It's going to be mostly sunny, a whole lot of sun, but a whole lot of wind. Winds come from the south-southwest at 21 to 31 miles an hour with gusts even higher than that. The low, because of that low humidity, you can expect a much cooler low, 47, mostly clear. Winds come from the northwest at 6 to 12 miles an hour. And here's a look at the 7-day forecast. For the next few days, temperatures are just on the rise. Tomorrow, starting off the work week at 81 degrees, mostly sunny, then back into the 90s by Tuesday. Very breezy there. We're tracking another front, which is going to pass the valley, leaving us with partly sunny on Wednesday, dropping temperatures into the lower 80s, then the mid-70s by Thursday, partly sunny again. Then Friday, 70 degrees, finally below the average, which is 71 degrees. And then next weekend, Saturday, 68, much cooler than the beginning of the week. And that is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.